Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this video is to help you with your stem and leaf plot assignment. So Investigation 4 is stem and leaf plots in box and whisker plots, and instead of using the Investigation 4 that's in the book, I found some activities I thought that did a better job of teaching both of these concepts. So the first one is stem and leaf plot, and this very first page just explains what a stem and leaf plot is. So what happens is this side of the plot is called the stem, and then this side is called the leaf, and it's the tens and the ones place. So if you come down here, you'll see that if I were going to list all of the actual data that's represented here, this first number is 11, then there's 13, there's another 13, and there's 17. And that's all of the data that we have that start with 1 or have 1 in the tens place. And then we have, and this is all coming from a list of data somewhere. I'm not sure where the data is, but a list of data somewhere. And then we have data that starts with 2 or is in the 20s. And we have 25 and 27. And then we have our list of data that's in the 30s. So we have 38, 38, and 39. You can see that here. We have 42 and 46, and then 51. So that's how you read a stem and leaf plot. And this is what you're going to be doing. I highly suggest the very first thing you do is print this out, because this is where you'll actually be doing your work. Excuse me. So the very first thing you do is you're going to write down the data over here, just like we saw above. Excuse me. So you can see 3 and 3, that's going to give me 33 here. 3 and 5, that's going to give me 35. And 3 and 5, that's going to give me 35. So you're going to do the rest of this. And then number 2 says, create a stem and leaf plot to represent the following ages of polar bears. 2, 2, 5, 10, 13, 17, 2, 21, 25, 28, 28, and 30. Include a title and key. For numbers with a value less than 10, simply use the number 0 as the stem. So what you're going to do is this is ages of polar bears. And you'll have your line that is the stem and leaf line. Okay, and you'll see that you have 3 of these that don't have a tens place. So they'll go here with the 0. And then you have, let's see, 3 that are in the ones place. You have 4 that are in the, where you have a 2 in the tens place, and then you have a 3. So you're going to put your ones place stuff over here. Once you finish this, you're going to go ahead and scan it and submit it in the assignment in Schoology, and then you can watch the video for the box and whisker plot. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions.